What's up, guys? My name's Kenneth. Today I want to show you guys this really cool puzzle box. It's called the Viking Box, and it's made out of kind of wood and acrylic, and it's coming from a company called Jean-Claude Constantine. I believe it's just a guy, and he has a huge puzzle collection, and it's just really, this puzzle is just really awesome. I really want to show it to you guys. It's got a really interesting mechanism to kind of lock this box. And the idea is you want to unlock the box, and then you can put something in it, you can see it, what is inside, and then you can lock it. So anyway, it's just a really high quality box. I want to show you guys kind of some of the details. But basically what happens is you can see we've got this area here, it's locked, it won't come apart, and this top section here is also locked and it won't slide out. And the reason this one won't slide out is these gears kind of stick up. There's like a notch on each one of these gears that are in the way, and it won't let this come out. So the goal of the puzzle is to kind of move these gears so the notch is out of the way, so that you can slide this little piece out and then you can open the box. To solve it, you have to kind of use this mechanism, and there's a couple interesting things about the mechanism. First, you can move each of the 4 gears by moving this back and forth, but they are blocked by different things. So like this marble here is blocking it, so I can't move it further to the right. So if I move the marble into this slot here, now I can move this further to the right, and so now this one is free. So I've freed this one, now I have to free these 3. Now obviously the first one is the easiest one. So you can kind of see the marbles only go where you can kind of see some black. So this marble can go in here, you can rotate it up to here, but then it won't go any further, because that's kind of this white wood is in the way. So you can move it up and it gets stuck now. So that's one of the kind of mechanisms. Another one of the mechanisms is this kind of this little slider here. So this little slider will move this piece of wood here, but it has to be free. So I have to move this little slot here. So now this can move back and forth, and that will free up. So this one is stuck, but now this one's free, and now this one's free. So that's another one of the mechanisms. And then there's a third mechanism down at the bottom, which I can't show you guys right now, but see how this marble won't drop down because there's a piece of wood in the way, and this one is stuck here. But if I can move this marble up, then there's this piece of wood here that if I move it to the side will kind of fall down and reveal an opening which this marble can drop into. So those are the kind of the 3 mechanisms you can kind of play around with to kind of manipulate this puzzle. And so you want to kind of move all of the pieces around until, you know, these notches move out of the way, and then you can open the box. So anyway, that's the idea. So yeah, the idea is easy. The harder part is executing it. So now you have to kind of like move it around, manipulate the puzzle until it's solved. So I think I'm just going to do that. I'm going to just try to solve the puzzle now and show you guys kind of, you know, how easy or hard it is. So it's actually rated a 9 on Puzzle Master, so it should be a hard puzzle. And yeah, let's try to solve it and see what we think. So I got the first 2 out of the way. Obviously that's not going to be good enough. So here's that third mechanism I was talking about. So I can move this one over here. So now it's in this area, and now you can see that this piece of wood here, it's there. I can slide it to the right, and now you see it here. See, so it's this one long piece of wood. So now I can open up this one, and that marble can drop down there. Pretty cool. Nice. So I was able to get this far left one finally free. So I'm going to leave the marble on that side now. I think this one is kind of open now, so this is good. So I think now that this one's open, I'm going to try to open. These 2 are super easy to open, so now I'm going to try to open that one. Oh yeah, I got this thing solved, I think. Ta-da! So there we go. Nice. So you can see now it's open, and you can put something in it. So let's put some stuff in it. Put some puzzles. Puzzles inside of puzzles. There we go. And here it is. Nice. Okay, so now I want to lock it. So let's lock it now. So I think I'm back to the beginning. So yeah, it wasn't too bad. So I got it now locked. All 4 of them are up so that this cannot slide out. And I now have some puzzles locked in there so I can make sure the kids can't get to them. And yeah, so that's the Viking box. Anyway, it's very cool. I really like the mechanism of it. I don't think it was a 9 for me, at least to me. It seemed like very sequential what I needed to do. Like I just tried to move this one out of the way, then move this one out of the way, and this one, and then everything that was blocked for me to get what I was accomplished, I had to unblock and go from there. So yeah, it wasn't too difficult, but I really love the box. Like the craftsmanship is amazing. One thing I forgot to mention is this piece of wood here starts here. It goes across. You can see it was laser cut in this kind of pattern, which allows it to be like folded and bent around there, which is really cool. So this is one long piece of wood all the way across to here. So yeah, that's just really cool. Love the craftsmanship. Such a cool puzzle. It's really neat. I want to get into more puzzles like this. I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys like this puzzle? Should I do more like it? Let me know in the comments below. If you like it, definitely check out Puzzle Master. That's where I got this puzzle. They sent it to me, so thanks to Puzzle Master for sending me this puzzle. I think they just went out of stock though, which is too bad. But I'll put a link in the description. Definitely check it out. It's an affiliate link, so if you buy something, it helps me out. Thanks guys for watching. Definitely stay tuned for my next videos or follow me on Instagram. I've been posting sneak peeks of a 3D print puzzle that I'm working on that's going to be just awesome. It's a huge project. So yeah, stay tuned for hints on Instagram. And that's it guys. Thanks guys for watching, and of course, have a great day.